Uemar mau kaya ba nuju ki sungal awarna ikamat ke bahaka bagi Paidbah ke Mukroh ke abrengem ban pep tabut hakan ke MDC bang sudep nak dawa ba kasokal Khia kuma kale bumsenya yaki hawana ini ke mat apo yang dibuat tahu ai mentak sengi ba nuju loong ba ki Paidbah ke Mukroh ke rep kiriang apo pusam Meghalaya Henry ki siap pedik hagi brew ke asaman ke por loong ba kajing sadin ke Mukroh kalong hadu kata-kata haba kasurak kalong besniu ke boarding kim dayo abha but ke school ke dontang hadu opera memory but kisamla kena school ba pas na ti sidang haban mi ban lait puli syabaratu syajwa ni syalong hakaju ke pol om ke bodal outpost ke bodon kilometer na Mukroh kam simla ajing ada yagi Paidbah jeng Meghalaya ulang bagi beriu na Meghalaya kisah pendik haki forest check kit ke asam ke bodon kemba pra kilometer na Mukroh ulakan tujuh jika sokal bakan Shim ikilar kenti madro ban aik jing singai bad wanra ikam penroi siketika
Rule 54 sub 1 clause of the procedure and conduct business under the caption bomla eta na kejingle don bor kasam on boycott Mukroh ka election MDC. Sir, on the 10th January 2025, the headman and secretary of Mukroh village submitted a petition to the Deputy Commissioner West Chanti Hills District stating that the village tower in a meeting held on the 9th January 2025 had decided to boycott the MDC elections 2025. Mr. Speaker, sir, upon receiving the petition, the Deputy Commissioner West Chanti Hills took immediate action and convened a meeting on the 17th February 2025 in Mukroh village with representative of the community. During the meeting, the current status of the border settlement process was explained and assurances were given that the district administration and police are making every effort to safeguard the safety and security of the border residents. Sir, the Superintendent of Police with Chanti Hills has also been closely monitoring the situation. A DCSP level border meeting was held on 31st January 2025 and also 14 February 2025. During both the meeting, detailed discussions conducted on the overall security of the Meghalaya-Assam border with the Assam authorities assuring their cooperation in maintaining peace and order. The district administration of West Chanti Hills, including the police department, are working tirelessly towards ensuring peace and tranquility prevails in the area. Their timely intervention in most of the disputes has undoubtedly prevented further escalation of the situation. Sir, as a result of this effort, the residents of Mukroh village reconsidered their decision and agreed to participate in the elections. The campaigning process was conducted smoothly and the situation is being closely monitored to ensure continued peace and security in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to inform the members of this August House that the general elections to the Chanti Hills Autonomous Council, which was held, including the police department, are working tirelessly towards ensuring peace and tranquility prevails in the area. Their timely intervention in most of the disputes has undoubtedly prevented further escalation of the situation. Sir, as a result of this effort, the residents of Mukroh village reconsidered their decision and agreed to participate in the elections. The campaigning process was conducted smoothly and the situation is being closely monitored to ensure continued peace and security in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to inform the members of this August House that the general elections to the Chanti Hills Autonomous Council, which was held on the 21st February 2024, the percentage of voter turnout from 12 Baratu Mukroh constituency was 84.63%. Sir, this figure speaks highly of the efforts that have been undertaken to ensure that people residing along the interstate border exercise their rights to vote. Furthermore, several efforts have been made to resolve the border disputes involving both the state governments and community leaders. Government of the day has also sanctioned quite a number of border outposts throughout the state. In addition to this, the government of the day had also sanctioned 9 new police outposts in the state. resolve the dispute issues when it arises. Sir, the government remains committed to protecting the rights and security for the border residents, and necessary steps will continue to be taken to address their concern. Sir, as also mentioned by the Honorable local MLA from Mukroh, the issues for developmental programs, yes sir, government has already noted down those issues raised by the honourable member, and also relating to the ongoing regional committee of both the states for the second phase discussion and dialogue. I am very sure in the second phase of the discussion, the dialogue which is to be made both sides of the states from Meghalaya as well as from Assam, we will be able to resolve these long pending issues, and we will be able, I am very sure, to resolve it permanently. So sir, we are committed to make sure that the interstate boundary and the villages which is nearby these interstate boundaries will be able to properly and peacefully earn their livelihood as well as do their actual duties as required from day to day. So sir, I would once again like to thank the member of this August House, Shri Nujot Singh Kesungo of Mukroh constituency for tabling this call attention motion.